to Unstake on Coinbase. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Coinbase and then click here on this pie icon. And under crypto, I just want you to select the, crypto that you want to unstake. So in this case, I'll do Ethereum. So I'll click on it. And then I want you to scroll down until under staking right here under balance, you should see unstake, right? So I want you to click here on unstake. And here, as you can see, unstaking takes time. And in this case, it will take about 13 days to unstake our Ethereum. Then we can just click on continue to unstake. Just enter the amount you want to unstake. Okay, you can also click on unstake all. And then, as you can see, the waiting time is 13 days. And until then, you will earn rewards. Just click on unstake now. And the order has been submitted. And when there's an update, we'll get an email as well. Now you can just tap on done. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.